Having the right gaming laptop can completely change your gaming experience. So in this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 best gaming laptops so you'll never have to suffer through slow, low-quality gameplay again. Now, the issue is that a gaming laptop might work great for one person, but it might not be the best for you because most laptops are not made with the same people in mind, which is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations, so regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect gaming laptop for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end so you don't miss anything. First, I have the Asus ROG Strix G16, which is my choice for the best gaming laptop for most people. The Asus ROG Strix G16 strikes a fine balance between top-tier gaming performance, innovative features, and user-friendly design. It's tailored for gamers who seek a powerful machine that can handle the latest titles while offering a degree of portability and style. Performance is at the heart of the ROG Strix G16. Powered by the latest Intel Core i9 processor and equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti GPU, this laptop delivers exceptional gaming performance. It's capable of running demanding games at high settings with smooth frame rates, ensuring a premium gaming experience. The inclusion of these high-end components make it suitable for not just gaming, but also for tasks like video editing and 3D rendering, which is perfect for streamers out there who need a quick cut. The laptop features a 16-inch WQXGA 165Hz display, which provides sharp, vibrant visuals and smooth motion. This high refresh rate is crucial for gamers, as it allows for more fluid and responsive gameplay. The screen's color accuracy and brightness make games look stunning, enhancing immersion in every gaming session. The Strix G16 boasts an innovative cooling system, which is essential for maintaining performance during extended gaming sessions. The advanced thermal design ensures that the CPU and GPU stay cool, preserving their performance and longevity. Users often note the efficiency of the cooling system, appreciating how it keeps heat in check without excessive noise. The design of the ROG Strix G16 has a distinctive aesthetic that appeals to gamers. It features customizable RGB lighting on the keyboard and around the chassis, allowing users to personalize their setup. Now, the laptop's build is robust, with a focus on durability to withstand the rigors of regular gaming and travel. The user experience is enhanced by the laptop's keyboard, which offers comfortable and responsive keystrokes, crucial for gaming and typing. The trackpad is precise and responsive, although gamers may prefer using an external mouse for more competitive gameplay. Connectivity options are comprehensive, with the Strix G16 offering multiple USB ports, HDMI, and Ethernet, among others. This range of ports ensures that gamers can connect all their peripherals, from gaming mice to headsets and external displays. The Asus ROG Strix G16 runs on Windows 11, providing a smooth and intuitive interface with quick access to gaming features and settings. The Asus ROG Strix G16's blend of powerful gaming performance, high refresh rate display, effective cooling, stylish and durable design, comfortable keyboard, and comprehensive connectivity make it a top choice for gamers looking for a versatile and capable gaming laptop. Whether for intense gaming sessions, content creation, or everyday use, the Strix G16 offers the power and features to meet a wide range of needs. Next up, I have the Acer Predator Helios 300, which is my choice for the best gaming laptop for the money. The Acer Predator Helios 300 is an impressive piece of tech, offering any array of high-performance features at a competitive price. This laptop is designed for gamers who seek a powerful gaming experience without the premium costs typically associated with top-tier gaming laptops. Central to the Predator Helios 300's capabilities is potent processing power driven by an Intel Core i7-11800H processor. This 11th gen processor ensures swift and responsive performance capable of handling demanding games and multitasking with ease. It's prepared with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 360 GPU, which delivers excellent graphical performance, rendering games with detailed visuals and smooth frame rates. Connectivity on the Helios 300 is comprehensive, including multiple USB ports, HDMI 2.1, mini DP, and Ethernet jack. These connections allow for easy integration with a wide array of gaming peripherals and external displays. Running on Windows 10, the Helios 300 offers a familiar and intuitive operating system with quick access to various gaming features and settings. A key specification of the Helios 300 is its 15.6-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 display with a 144Hz refresh rate and 3 millisecond overdrive response time. This high refresh rate screen is crucial for gaming as it allows for smoother and more responsive gameplay, essential in fast-paced action games. The display's color accuracy and brightness also contribute to an immersive gaming experience. Memory and storage are another strong suit of the Helios 300. It comes equipped with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, providing ample memory for gaming and multitasking. Now, for storage, the laptop offers a 512GB NVMe SSD, ensuring quick boot times and fast loading of games and applications. The laptop's cooling system is noteworthy, featuring Acer's custom-engineered AeroBlade 3D fan technology. This advanced cooling solution helps maintain optimal performance by efficiently dissipating heat, a critical aspect for preserving the longevity of hardware during intensive gaming sessions. The Helios 300's design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, with a robust build and a gaming-centric look that includes customizable RGB keyboard lighting. The keyboard itself is designed with gaming in mind, offering comfortable key travel and responsiveness. The Acer Predator Helios 300 is an incredible gaming laptop, especially for the low price. It offers a powerful combination of an Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA RTX 3060 GPU, a high refresh rate display, ample memory and storage, efficient cooling, a gamer-friendly keyboard, and extensive connectivity. Now, this laptop delivers a high-end gaming experience at a price point that offers significant value, making it an ideal choice for gamers looking for performance and affordability. Next, I have the Alienware M16R1, which is my choice for the best gaming laptop for esports. The Alienware M16R1 caters specifically to the high-performance demands of gaming. It's crafted for those who thrive in the fast-paced world of esports, where every millisecond in detail can make a difference between victory and defeat. At the core of the M16R1's gaming prowess is its processor and graphics card combo. Equipped with the latest Intel Core i7 or i9 processors and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series GPUs, this laptop delivers blazing fast performance. It's capable of running the most demanding esports titles at high frame rates, ensuring that players have the responsiveness and fluidity they need to perform at their best. The display on the M16R1 is a gamer's delight. Its 16-inch screen boasts a QHD 2560 by 1440 resolution and a staggering 360 Hz refresh rate. This ultra-high refresh rate means the action on screen is incredibly smooth, which is crucial in competitive gaming where reaction times are key. When using the M16R1, the experience feels tailored for the rigors of esports. The laptop's keyboard is responsive and tactile, providing a satisfying and precise input experience. The keys are well-spaced and backlit, ideal for long gaming sessions that might stretch late into the night. Now, in terms of design, the Alienware M16R1 has a distinctive look that resonates with its gaming pedigree. It's not just about aesthetics. The laptop's build is sturdy and robust, designed to withstand the intensity of travel and constant use that comes with esports gaming. The cooling system of the M16R1 is advanced, utilizing Alienware's Cryotech technology. This ensures that the laptop remains cool under pressure, maintaining peak performance during critical gaming moments. Connectivity options are ample, with the M16R1 offering Thunderbolt ports, USB-A and USB-C ports, an HDMI port, and more. This range of connectivity ensures that gamers can easily connect all their peripherals from high-end gaming mice to external monitors without any hassle. Running on Windows 11, the Alienware M16R1 provides a smooth and intuitive interface with quick access to gaming settings and features. The Alienware M16R1 is arguably the best gaming laptop on the market for esports, offering a combination of high-powered processing, a top-tier graphics card, an ultra-fast display, a responsive keyboard, robust design, efficient cooling, and comprehensive connectivity. It's a laptop that not only meets the demanding needs of competitive gaming, but does so with a style and build quality that's unmistakably Alienware. And if you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below, because prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops. So if you want to find the most updated information, check out the description. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Next, I have the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i, which is my choice for the best overall gaming laptop. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i has been dominating the gaming laptop market for its incredible blend of cutting-edge specifications and an immersive gaming experience. It's designed for gamers who demand the utmost in performance, features, and build quality. Now, at the heart of the Legion Pro 7i's exceptional performance lies its processor and GPU. The latest 16th gen Intel Core i9 processor provides top-tier computing power, making quick work of even the most demanding games and applications. Now, this is paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series GPU, which translates to stunningly realistic graphics, ultra-smooth frame rates, and reduced latency. For connectivity, the Legion Pro 7i is well equipped with multiple ports, including Thunderbolt, USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and Ethernet. This array of ports allows gamers to connect a wide range of peripherals from high gaming mice to external displays, enhancing the gaming setup. Running on Windows 11, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i offers a user-friendly and intuitive interface, with features and settings tailored for gaming. The Legion Pro 7i boasts a 16-inch mini LED display with a QHD Plus 2560 by 1600 resolution and a 240 Hz refresh rate. This high refresh rate is crucial for competitive gaming, allowing for fluid motion and reduced motion blur. The high resolution ensures sharp and detailed images, while HDR support brings a wide color gamut and contrast, making the gaming world more vivid and lifelike. In terms of memory and storage, the laptop offers up to 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and up to a 2 terabyte PCLE Gen 4 SSD. The DDR5 RAM provides faster data transfer transfer rates and greater bandwidth, enhancing overall system responsiveness and multitasking capabilities. Now, the SSD ensures rapid game load times and swift access to files, contributing to a more efficient gaming experience. Lenovo has also focused on advanced cooling technology in the Legion Pro 7i. The laptop utilizes an improved thermal system that includes a vapor chamber and liquid metal thermal paste. This efficient cooling helps maintain optimal performance during extended gaming sessions, preventing throttling and preserving the longevity of the hardware. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i offers an unbeatable combination of the latest Intel Core i9 processor, NVIDIA RTX graphics, a high refresh rate mini LED display, ample high-speed memory and storage, robust build quality, sophisticated cooling technology, and extensive connectivity. These specifications work together to provide an unparalleled gaming experience, making the Legion Pro 7i a top choice for gamers who seek the best in laptop gaming technology. Next, I have the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. Redefines what it means to be compact yet mightily powerful. It's an ideal fit for gamers and power users who crave top-tier performance wrapped in a travel-friendly package. At its heart, the Zephyrus G14 is fueled by the potent AMD Ryzen 9 6900HS processor. Now, this powerhouse CPU, in tandem with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 GPU, catapults this laptop to a realm where high-end gaming and intensive multitasking coexist seamlessly. Whether it's the latest AAA titles or demanding creative work, the G14 handles it all with a finesse that believes its size. The visual experience on this laptop is stellar. Its 14-inch QHD 2560 by 1440 display not only brings forth sharp, detailed images, but also enhances gameplay with a 120Hz refresh rate. Its slim profile and lightweight make it an easy travel companion, while its robust build quality withstands the rigors of on-the-go use. The LED anime matrix display on the lid adds a unique, customizable element, allowing users to express their style with dynamic light patterns. The laptop's keyboard and trackpad are meticulously crafted for comfort and precision. Gamers will find the keyboard's tactile feedback and key travel conducive to both frenetic gaming sessions and extended typing periods. The trackpad's accuracy further enriches the user interface experience. Asus hasn't overlooked the importance of cooling in this compact form factor. The Zephyrus G14 includes an advanced cooling system, ensuring the laptop remains cool and efficient under the pressure of heavy usage. This system's effectiveness is key to maintaining peak performance without disruptive noise. And battery life is another area where the G14 shines, offering impressive longevity that's rare in gaming laptops at 76 watt. This endurance is a boon for users who need a laptop that keeps pace with their dynamic lifestyles. Powerful processing, stunning visuals, innovative design, efficient cooling, enduring battery life, and flexible connectivity. It is an amazing choice for those who want no compromises in their gaming laptop, be it for dominating the gaming arena or conquering demanding professional tasks. And if you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like. And be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.